Let's make this night, gamitin natin ang ating imahinasyon. Kung kaya natin gamitin ang ating imahinasyon na walang kahon, magkakaroon ng kapayapaan, pagmamahalan, walang kulay, walang race. So I will render this one of the song of John Lennon, Imagine. Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try.
Basta ka pa na yung volume niya.
No hell below us. Above us only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do.
Lapit ka na lang yun. Lapit ka na lang. Parang
Nothing to kill or die for. And no religion too. Yun pala eh. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will leave us one. Imagine no procession. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger. A brotherhood of man. Imagine all the people sharing all around you. You may say I'm a dreamer. Pwede face babay. Sabay mo tayo lahat. But I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will leave us one.